Little girls look up to me. People look up to me. In my hood, in my area where I grow up, you know, you should see me when I'm driving one of these cars. The kids will come to the gate. Thank you, Tali. Thank you, Tali. Thank you, Tali. You're spinning today. Thank you, Tali. It used to be seen as like a gangster sport associated with gangsterism. For me, it's a way of me expressing myself, expressing my femininity. There isn't a lot of us females in the spinning industry in the entire South Africa in comparison to the men.
I love watching her spin. Sometimes I even get in the car with her, but she's always like careful. She's always warning me.
The reason why we established the venue, there was a need for an accredited spin venue, and then by then there was none. It was only done in the streets and illegally so.
I think it's a very unusual. For some people it's just a hobby, but it's an actual culture I am learning today. It's my first time. We need more of this.